Hello everyone, in today's lesson I want to show you how to trim in AutoCAD 2024. In AutoCAD 2024 we have two ways for trim, standard mode trim and quick mode trim. Let's start with standard mode trim. In standard mode trim we have to evaluate our trim. For example, if you want to trim this line from here to here, you have to select this line and this line. After that, right TR, press enter, go to mode, select standard. Here you can trim it from this point to this point easily, as you see. And if you want trim from here, this point to this point, now we can't trim it because we don't have a plane or a border. Press enter, select this and this line. Let's expand our border. Right trim. See, we can trim it from this point to this point as well. For this one as well, this one. But in the quick mode trim, we don't need to select the plane or border, or only we have to write TR and go to the mode, change it to quick mode. You can trim it any point, any line that is in between two intersections. Thanks for watching, guys.